Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the local and community roads in Jamaica. So the government announced recently that they are going to be spending $20 billion in 2024 to fix local and community roads. Now this is a very large allocation. So the government says that these roads have been neglected over the years. And if you drive on the roads, we have many videos up, you can see them. These roads, they're in a less than suitable driving state. So it's very good that they're going to fix these roads. Now, we need to discuss, who do you think should do the actual work, the contractor? Now, based on what we've seen happening on roadwork projects, I think the contractor should be China Harbour Engineering Company. They should be given the contract to do all the roads, the main contractor, and then use, in some cases, subcontractors. But China Harbour Engineering Company should be in charge of the entire project. Because the roads, the China Harbour Engineering Company, they build all the major highways in Jamaica. And they also did Barbican Road, Hagley Park Road, Constant Spring Road, 3 Miles Overpass. And these roads seem to stand the test of time, basically. So I think we should give, or the government should give, all the roads under this $20 billion project for local and community roads to China Harbour Engineering Company. So guys, what do you think, or who do you think the contractor should be? Now, where possible and where China Harbour wants to, they should use the local contractors. But I don't think the project should be given to directed to the local contractors, because one, we have to ask the question, can they do the job? Two, will it be finished in time? And what will the state of the road be after a few years? Now these are all valid questions, and based on what happened on the Junction Main Road, where that project was delayed for years, I'm not even sure if it was finished. And before that project was even finished, let's not go there. The Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, where total disaster, 10 local contractors were used, and I think it's down to 2 now. The other 8 either gave up the project or they took it back from them. So that's a reason why, China Harbour Engineering Company can build these roads. And they can fix every road. Okay, Jamaica has 22,000 kilometers of roadway. Now, just to give you some perspective, the road between Harbourview and Portland that takes you through St. Andrews, St. Thomas, and Portland, from Harbourview to Port Antonio, is 100, and let's just say 140 kilometers long. Jamaica has 22,000 kilometers of roadway. So you can drive from Harbourview to Portland, and that's 140 kilometers. From Harbourview to Yalos is 28 kilometers. Now that is a long distance. So can you imagine 22,000 kilometers of roadway? It's a lot. And 20 billion cannot fix 22,000 kilometers of roadway, but it's a start. It can't be done in a year, it can't be done in 2 years, it can't be done in 5 years, but it's a start. So, of the 22,000 kilometers of roadway in Jamaica, the government assessed that 50%, that's 11,000 kilometers, are assessed to be in less than suitable driving condition or in need of total rehabilitation. 11,000 kilometers of roadway. So I say let China Harbour Engineering Company do it, because What concerns me, and I'm sure concerns a lot of people, is if the roads are fixed but they're not fixed properly. In 2 or 3 years, or less, in a couple of years, you're going to have to fix it again. And you don't want that. You want to fix these roads and move on to another one. And these are roads that people use every day. People are going to have to use the road while they're being fixed or maintained or upgraded. So it needs to be done quickly or it's going to be a traffic nightmare. So we cannot afford the delays that might be associated with this road work. So I think we have China Harbour Engineering Company in Jamaica. They have gotten the job done on so many occasions. Just give it to them. Let them do it, and where they want to or where it's suitable or necessary, you use local contractors. So guys, what do you think? Because at the end of the day, we cannot have a repeat of what happened on the Southern Coastal Highway. That's the road from Harbourview to Portland, where the residents had to block the road. The residents had to protest. And the residents had to ask for China Harbour Engineering Company to take over the project, which they did and finished it basically in no time. So we have to learn from those lessons. Now, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.